Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. Designed to both entertain and educate, this festival draws more than 200k visitors worldwide each year. Visitors are invited to shop along sawdust covered paths through a handcrafted village of fine arts and superb craftsmanship. The art festival features art demonstration booths such as glass blowing, complimentary hands on art workshops, a children's art booth, a ceramics center, as well as refreshments from 4 outdoor cafes, live musical entertainment, and much more. Welcome to the Sawdust Art Festival, Laguna Beach, California. The Sawdust Art and Craft Festival is a non-profit organization dedicated to promoting the art created in Laguna Beach. Since its inception, the art festival has celebrated and supported the work of local artists. With two main events annually, the Sawdust Art and Craft Festival from July 2 to September 5, 2021, and the annual Winter Fantasy Festival, weekends from mid-November through mid-December. The organization is designed to both entertain and educate Laguna locals and visitors alike. Sawdust Art Classes also offer classes and workshops year-round, from summer to winter, on-site and off-site. For 9 weeks throughout the summer months, the Sawdust Art and Craft Festival draws more than 200k visitors worldwide each year, invited to shop along sawdust covered paths through the handcrafted village of fine arts and superb craftsmanship. Visitors come to enjoy unique artwork, live entertainment on 3 stages, eye-catching artist demonstrations, hands-on art workshops for all ages, and delicious food and drink. Sawdust Art and Craft Festival features more than 200 new and returning Laguna Beach artists who exhibit and sell their original art and handcrafted items in Laguna Canyon. All artists that exhibit during the summer festival are Laguna Beach residents, making the Sawdust a one-of-a-kind experience. Art Festival dates and hours. From July 2 to September 5, 2021, Sunday to Thursday 11 am to 7 pm, Friday and Saturday 11 am to 10 pm. The admission fee for the adult is $9, seniors is $7, children's is $4. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you guys in my next video.